What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with the beautiful Maggie and...
We bought a new house!
Woo! We are so excited. It's been in the works for a little bit and we're finally moved in. We're still getting, some furniture in there. We have a couple things.
It's a little bit of a disaster, so give us some grace right now, but it's gonna look amazing.
So, without further ado, let's give you guys the tour.
Oh, hey, nice to see you.
Oh, hey, welcome.
Welcome to our new house.
I don't know why I said welcome to you. That was weird.
Yeah,
Sorry.
thanks for welcoming me to my house.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna let Maggie give, sorry. Whoa, a lot's going on. I'm gonna let Maggie give you guys a tour.
Hey,
What is happening?
Scout wants to give the tour.
Sorry, Scott wants to give the tour. I'm gonna let Maggie give you guys a tour. I might chime in here and there. Also, my stress levels are so high right now because every single light in the house is on.
And it's also a major mess, and... Oh my goodness!
Never heard him do this.
Let's do it.
This is, I think this is going to be like a speakeasy kind of room, like somewhere we can lounge, watch TV. Obviously not set up, but here it is. Great.
Guys, this room would be perfect for just like watching movies, like you got the couch set up. That's gonna go, that's not gonna be here anymore, but nice big TV, get that TV hung on there.
So this is like, just like general living space, I guess. We don't really know what to do yet. Maybe like a little seating area over here and we can listen to the piano, but this will be more entertainment style. Main living room with our beautiful new couch. I'm so excited, it's so comfy. No.
Guys, this couch is literally huge, and this right here, this ottoman like slides into it so it can just be like a full like hang out, watch a movie. And you know what? This is a 75-inch TV right now, and I feel like it looks so small.
The couch makes everything
The couch makes everything look small.
Massive.
It's really big.
Formal dining, same table from our old house, but I think it actually looks really nice here. Here's our kitchen, our beautiful kitchen. My like favorite part of this entire kitchen is this oven and stove. Like it's just beautiful. I love it. I really like the colors that they use too. Like this is totally coming back in style, this oak color. Really cool faucets. Very nice big walk-in pantry, which is also not filled with food right now.
We did get these container things to store things, but
I'll get to that eventually.
yeah, and they also ended up being like pretty small, yeah.
We can move on to master, I guess, since we're on this side of the house. Here is hall half bath.
Nothing special.
Not much, yeah.
This is really cool. All right, so I've always wanted one of these. I don't know the purpose of it, but it's really cool. It's literally just like a little cave with some light. You can put some cool stuff in there, like make it look all fancy like when you come out of the pooper. We are going to kind of show you the master, but not show you the backyard, because the backyard is like one of the biggest selling points for us, and we want that to be a surprise at the end of the video.
Also, master, like nobody, please don't judge us. I need to like finish decorating and it just looks like a mess right now. But master bedroom, beautiful. I'm loving the neutral colors clearly. Same setup as we used to have, I just bought us different sheets and comforter and stuff. And Scout's bed that he does not sleep in because he sleeps in between Steven and I every single night. And this most amazing bathroom ever.
Guys, look at the size of this shower. Go ahead, Scout, you can get in there too.
Come on, Scouty. Look at my wingspan doesn't even reach.
Two of these things.
So, flashback to the last video where Steven and I were like, we don't like to shower together. Now we do because there's so much room that we each get our own shower in the same shower.
Although major problem, we don't have hot water yet, so no one's showering actually.
Yeah. Well, I took a cold shower yesterday, but Walk-in closet. This is all my side, and then Steven gets this little portion right here.
Wow, you really cracked yourself up there, huh?
I did. And then Cooper, nothing special.
Did use that this morning. Say I won't.
Okay. Laundry room. Already got some laundry going. Nice and big. Got brand new washer dryer. Guest hall, full bath. I actually really like this. This is where I gave Scout a bath yesterday. This will be my office, which will also function as like a guest bedroom if we ever need it. Love this bed. It like the bottom part pulls out and it becomes a whole queen bed. It's really cool.
Funny story about this bed. This bed was gifted to us by her dad, but there's this very specific reason why.
He texts me and he's like, hey, do you want the trundle bed? And I'm like, yes, I've always wanted that. And he's like, cool, now I can get my race simulator. And the whole story was that my mom would not let him put his like race car simulation thing in their office unless he got rid of this, so he just pawned it off to us. But I mean, it works.
So it's like a gift both ways, really.
Yeah, my dad got a gift and we got a gift.
And she has this cool thing in her office Like
The fly on the roof.
the
My buddy Ronald.
That's Ronald, and he's just hanging out.
But no, look, you can like put stuff up there. I don't know.
I'll probably put plants up there. Although, how would I water them? This is like main guest bed number 1, which will also eventually become a kid's room at some point. But right now it's set up as a guest room. And then it has a Jack and Jill bathroom.
Oh, Megan. Hey.
Come on in. Shower. We actually need to get a shower curtain. I just realized yesterday. Still need to get furniture for this one, but probably just gonna be another guest bedroom. So and then last but not least, Steven's office. Still not set up either, but I love this green couch. It's so comfy.
I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my office. So if you guys have any recommendations for like artwork or anything cool, just let me know.
Wait, me too. Send me some. I like plants a lot, and sunflowers are my favorite. And I'm going for like neutral tones, maybe a little bit of yellow.
All right, guys, now we gotta walk you to the backyard so you can see the magic. The actual magic of this whole house is in the backyard.
Oh God, my shoes.
What are those?
All right, ready? All right, wait, let's start on this side so it's like you really get the full effect. Here are Scout's toys.
Naturally.
Toy. Barbecue setup, little turf area, and then we'll come back here. This, I think, originally was like a chicken coop or something, or maybe a dog house. I'm not really sure what they were doing with it before we moved in. Potentially a chicken coop for us. All right, you ready for the selling point? This is our amazing pool. We're gonna put like little palm trees and flowers in there.
I don't think it does it justice, like how big this pool is too. It is a massive, massive
Huge.
pool.
It's huge.
And the fountain, I'm so in love with that fountain. It is the most like relaxing thing to come out here and just like listen to all this stuff. It's crazy.
I like don't even know what to call this, like just the rest of the yard. Steven's got his own basketball court.
Guys, so we have so much room in the backyard. Like we can literally do so much room for activities and stuff. And we have, you know, like I ball up on some pools, like don't get me wrong. But now my game's about to go to the next level. I'm about to take one shot for you guys. And if I make it, then you have to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Okay, I swear to you, it is freezing outside. My hands don't even work. Let's go. Side note, Meg has her garden beds over there.
They like already had them installed for me. I'm so excited to restart my garden.
Thank you guys so much. We love you, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.